Welcome to my book launch. My book is on evidence-based education system. It's a new version of the evidence practice which we have been doing, which we have been having for a long time. The book has got 1200 pages, 6,52,000 words. It's a guided walkthrough for the beginners so that they can easily follow the process. It is example based, so every step there are examples which are given, and it helps mastering the 5 A's of EBES process. On the curriculum aspect, it has got so many new findings which are there, and the research which is there is made simplified. The design and its application is easily understood by people who are reading it, and EBS research, how it is to be done, what is to be done. And there is a special chapter on COVID. What are our hits and misses? What our experience are telling us. So what is different in evidence-based education system which was not there? It takes a look at the curriculum in all aspects, and it promotes a spiral, modular and experiential curriculum. It involves co-teaching and collaborative teaching. The 3 domains of cognitive, psychomotor and communication are taken into consideration, and the whole curriculum is based on these 3 skills which are needed to be developed. Teaching is not the focus, it is the learning which is the focus, and that is why we use andragogy principle as against the pedagogy as what we have been doing. Hybrid learning, soft skill development like professionalism, attitude, habitual behavior, leadership, team working, technology and adaptation is all is the focus in this evidence-based education system. Who are the beneficiaries of this evidence-based education system? Medical personnel, dental personnel, nursing faculty and practitioners, paramedical. These are all the one on which the book is focused on. But basically it can be applied, the curriculum part can be applied to school-going children, from pre-school children right up to higher education. So teaching, learning and curriculum development, people who are interested in education are also benefited by this. The public and the insurance both will be greatly benefited by the introduction of evidence-based education system. The launch of the book timing are already written out there, and whichever is your time zone, you please calculate that, and you can attend this online virtual book launching. EBF today is the need of the hour. Let us understand why and how this can be applied, because it's a new concept. In evidence-based education system, is the solution to the healthcare deficiency which we are facing today. So please be there, and please contact me through the website, follow my blog and use my digital cards to keep in contact with me. Interaction is something which is required, and this will create that interaction. So please, a sincere request to please be there.